Hello, this is Chad. Today I'm going to do a real quick video on unboxing the Google Home Hub. Let's get started. I'm going to first just take the shrink wrap off real quickly. Discard that. Okay, so it is the Google Home Hub, and as you can see, this is the chalk color. I knew the specs, but it's slightly smaller than what I was anticipating it would be. That's both good and bad. And we'll take off the protective cardboard. Let's just pull this out. So here's the power supply. And then it comes with instructions. And it says, let's get started. So that's everything that's included in it. You get the Google Home Hub, and you plug it right in the back, just right there. And thank you for watching. That's unboxing the Google Home Hub.